Hi students, today we will study gas thermometer. In previous class, we discussed liquid thermometer, liquid filled thermometer. Example, mercury thermometer. Now, gas thermometer. Principle of gas thermometer. Change in temperature of a gas, change in temperature of a gas directly proportional to change in volume of a gas when pressure kept constant, or another, change in temperature of a gas proportional to change in pressure of a gas when volume kept constant. Example of gas thermometer, nitrogen gas thermometer. Another example, helium gas thermometer. Nitrogen or helium, these are the gases used in thermometer. Nitrogen gas thermometer range minus 200 degree centigrade to 500 degree centigrade. Nitrogen gas is chemically inert gas. It has favorable coefficient of thermal expansion. The temperature range is wide. Below minus 200 degree centigrade, nitrogen gas does not act a perfect gas at low temperature, so that below minus 200 degree centigrade, helium gas is used in thermometer. Gas filled thermometer. Construction and working of gas filled thermometer. In gas filled thermometer, gas is used as a filling medium. Principle. It works on the principle of Boyle's law and Charles' law. Change in temperature of a gas proportional to change in pressure of a gas when volume kept constant. As pressure of a gas increases with increase in temperature, according to the relation Pt is equal to P0 1 plus gamma T, where T is rise in temperature, gamma coefficient of pressure increase, P0 pressure at 0 degree centigrade, Pt pressure at T degree centigrade. Construction. This is figure of gas filled thermometer. Here is a bulb. This bulb is made up of stainless steel, brass or nickel. Inside this bulb there is a gas like nitrogen or helium is used. This bulb is connected to the capillary tube. This capillary tube is made up of steel. Length of capillary is limited. This capillary is further connected to the Bourdon tube. This Bourdon tube is sensing device which convert pressure into displacement. This Bourdon tube convert change in pressure into displacement. When volume of the gas is kept constant, pressure at T degree centigrade is Pt, pressure at 0 degree centigrade is P0, kept volume of gas is constant and pressure is directly proportional to change in temperature. In this gas filled thermometer, commonly used gas is nitrogen because nitrogen gas is chemically inert. It has favorable coefficient of thermal expansion. So nitrogen gas is used. Nitrogen gas thermometer, its range is minus 200 to 800 degree Fahrenheit or minus 200 degree Celsius to 500 degree Celsius. Below minus 200 degree centigrade, nitrogen gas does not act like a perfect gas at low temperature, so that there is helium gas should be used. Advantages of gas filled thermometer. First advantage, gas filled thermometer has fast response. Its scale is linear. Less maintenance is required. Having low cost. 3 or more separate systems can be put in a single instrument case. These are the advantages of gas filled thermometer. Now disadvantages of gas filled thermometer. First disadvantage of gas filled thermometer, it has limited maximum temperature, much lower accuracy, lower sensitivity and temperature span as compared to other thermometer is high. Third disadvantage is, in case of failure, the entire system is usually replaced. Fourth, need of large bulb for sake of security. These are the disadvantages of gas filled thermometer.